The freelancer is dead. If you are still trading your hours for dollars on platforms like Fiverr, you are operating inside a model that is becoming increasingly difficult to scale. The problem isn't freelancing itself. The problem is dependency on labor. Every additional dollar requires additional effort. Every new client requires additional time. Every project starts from scratch. Meanwhile, a different class of operators is emerging. They are not selling labor. They are selling systems. They are building assets that generate outcomes repeatedly. And that changes the economics entirely. The global market no longer rewards effort. It rewards results. A client doesn't care how many hours you spent creating a solution. They care whether the solution works. The first step in making this transition is understanding where businesses lose time. I call this administrative debt. Administrative debt is any repetitive task that consumes attention without directly generating revenue. Think about the services businesses buy every month: content creation, lead research, competitor analysis, customer support reviews, sales proposal writing, market research, SEO audits, data organization, reporting. Most of these tasks follow predictable patterns, and anything that follows a predictable pattern can be systemized. Here's your first assignment. Open Fiverr right now. Search for the highest demand services in categories like marketing, business consulting, virtual assistants, research, and content creation. Create a list of 10 services that appear repeatedly. Do not look for creative work. Look for repetitive work. Those repetitive services are opportunities. The next step is building what I call a reasoning layer. Most people open Claude and start prompting. Architects build context first. Create a Claude project. Upload examples of the work you want to produce. Upload templates. Upload SOPs. Upload successful deliverables. Upload industry knowledge. Upload evaluation criteria. Teach the system what good looks like. Now, instead of asking random questions, ask structured questions. For example, analyze this client's website and identify 5 SEO opportunities. Create a 3-month content strategy based on these competitors. Review these customer reviews and identify recurring complaints. Generate a sales proposal using this company's service framework. The goal is not to get perfect output. The goal is to create a repeatable process. Now comes the critical step. Stop selling tasks. Start selling outcomes. Most freelancers say, "I will write a blog article." Architects say, "I will deliver a complete content growth system, including topic research, content strategy, article generation, and optimization recommendations." One is labor. The other is a solution. The market pays more for solutions. Once you have your workflow, create a checklist. Every client request should follow the same process. Collect information, run analysis, generate recommendations, validate outputs, deliver results. The checklist becomes your operating system. Now you are no longer dependent on inspiration. You are dependent on process. This is where leverage begins. The next stage is validation. Never assume the first output is good enough. Your role is not to replace yourself. Your role is to multiply yourself. Review the outputs, improve the prompts, strengthen the knowledge base, refine the workflow. Every project should make the system better. Every client should improve the asset. Eventually, something interesting happens. You stop thinking like a freelancer. You start thinking like a business owner. Instead of asking, "How many projects can I complete this month?" you begin asking, "How many systems can I build this year?" That is a completely different game. Because systems can be reused. Systems can be licensed. Systems can be productized. Systems can become subscriptions. Systems can generate value long after the initial work is done. Here's your challenge. Within the next 24 hours, identify one repetitive service on Fiverr. Build a Claude project around that service. Upload at least 5 examples. Create a workflow. Test it on a real problem. Then ask yourself one question. Could this process be repeated 10 times without starting from zero? If the answer is yes, you are no longer building a service. You are building an asset. And assets, not labor, are what create leverage in the intelligence economy. The transition has already begun. The only question is whether you will remain a participant in the market or become the architect of a system that serves it. Transmission concluded.